So building and selling website is what got me to my first £1,000 in a single day, and today I'm gonna be dropping the sauce for you guys as well. I went through a lot of trial and error for learning all of this stuff, and I'm dropping it here so you guys don't have to. A lot of people requested this video, and here it is. So in this video, even if you're a complete beginner and you have no coding experience, you don't even know what coding is, doesn't matter. Watch this video till the end and you can create your own website. Even if it's for yourself or you want to make it for your clients, doesn't matter. Just watch it and you're gonna make it. I'm gonna be dropping so much sauce and value in this video, it's gonna be insane. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go straight into the video. So we are in a quick my robot so you can understand better. For the first step, so this is exactly how I made money, by the way. So first we make a website and then we sell it to a local business. So there are hundreds of thousands of businesses who don't have a website, and all you got to do is reach out to them and be like, you're ranking below your competitors on Google, you need a website. A website can do this, that. You can make your own sales page. I made a website for you, why wouldn't you want to see it? And they'll be like, oh no, I'm on a way, I'm not interested, sorry. You're gonna get rejected so many times, but at the end of it, you just need some few people to just have a look at it. You're not like asking them any money upfront. You sell them like, I have built a website for you, why don't you have a look at it? You like it, you keep it. You don't want it, you never see me again. The only thing is like, you want to get them into a call, and once they're in the call, you show them the website that you made, and you only make the website after they agreed to get on a call with you, right? And I get paid. That's basically how this works. So let's just go into step one of creating a website, right? Just choose your niche. Basically, this is very, very simple stuff. Like, just choose one of these niches. If you're building a website for yourself, just you know which niche you're in. If you're a solar installer, go with solar installer. If you're freaking dental clinic, go with dental clinics. These are like the main three niches that I worked with while I started. You like, there is no reason for you to go with this niche. Dental niche is a good niche. You could have gone with beauty clinics, hair salons, like lot of niches. Just go with whatever niche you choose and go all in one niche. Let me tell you that it's always better to stick with one niche, as they say, the riches and the niches. So just stick with one niche, choose your niche, and then define your goals. So this is a very important part. Like, a lot of people don't speak about it. What do you want to do with your website? When you are making a website, make sure it's good. And if you're selling website to a local business, don't even consider making a bad website. They're just not gonna take it. You're just gonna lose your money. So when you're making a website, make sure it's good and it has a clear goal. So some people would like to capture deals, some people want like a actual appointment booked in, some people want to build like a sell a product, and all you just want some engagement, build some authority. And step three is to vibe code the website. Use AI tools rapidly. In this video, I'm gonna be using Cloud Code. You could use whatever you want, like any kind of AI that can code for you works for you. And even if you have no vibe coding experience, don't worry, I'm going to be teaching all of that in this video. So just use the AI tools and just start vibe coding. I'll show it to you. And step four, after we have the website, we are going to hit it as like a file inside our computer. We want to host it into the web. We want to host it into the web where we connect our domain and stuff. And step five, we launch it into GitHub and connect our domain. So let's just dive straight into it. So this is gonna be our actual niche. Like, it's nothing crazy. I'm gonna go with a solar company. It's called like, this is just random names. Jaden Solar is do solar installs, and they want a lead form. It's 5 pages, all of these pages, and then just a made up phone number just for the purpose of this video. So we are gonna be creating a full-on website for this company from scratch. So as the first step, make sure your Cloud Code is ready. I'm using Cloud Code here. You can use whatever coding app you want. Some people can use like maybe Codex, whatever the hell you want to use. Just make sure your like coding application, the vibe coding application is ready. And I prefer Cloud Code. It's lot better than the other ones out there. My personal choice. It's completely your choice. So after that, go to this website called Dribble. This is a actually great website. It's very extremely underrated. It have a lot of website templates and everything, but the thing is, we are not gonna be using the paid plan. This is completely free. So just browse and find like any kind of website UI that you like. So for this video, I'm going with the solar niche. I'm gonna be creating a website for the solar niche. So you can go with whatever templates you want, because I am going with solar. I'm taking this template. I really like this one. This looks very good. So what I usually do, I just take this one, take literally just crop this out, paste it into Claude Code, and then type your prompt. So I'm just gonna type my prompt and then I'll show the prompt to you. So I have typed the prompt now. I would put this exact same prompt on the description. Just fill your actual info on places like this. Just I have typed my niche, the owner name, location, like the phone number, the address, all of those stuff. Just fill in your information from the prompt down below. Upload the image as I should just showed you how to do it. Just upload that image and then press enter. So now Claude is gonna ask you questions on how you like the website to be set up. So just look at this one over here. Your brief says light background throughout, but the reference image says it's a blue, like dark blue hero. How should I refer this? So this is the option I like. Like I would like to go with a clean white light gray effect. So I would just choose this one. Nothing crazy. Just go through every single one of these yourself. Like literally read all of the options and press the correct option you would like. And that's how Claude is gonna build your website. So once you have submitted all of those info, it's gonna actually build your website now. Just wait patiently until Claude completes your build. So once your website is done in Claude Code, you'll get a screen something like this, and you will say like something like whatever your file name is, it's got saved into your computer. So what you do, just search this file name onto your computer, like my files in my PC, whatever wherever you are, just go to your files, search for this, and open it on an actual browser. And you are gonna see this actual website live in action from your PC. This is not yet hosted into the web, but you can see it. And like this is to be honest with you, this is nowhere close to what we actually put in the reference image. So we have to make a lot of changes, but I'm just gonna keep this minimal for this video. Just take whatever you want, put it into Claude Code over here, just and then upload the image, type the changes what you want, and then do whatever the changes you want. So basically we got a form over here, and then we would have got another form over here on the book now section as well. So we would just leave the form out for now. I'll show you how to connect this into a Google Sheet by the end of this video. Just forget about the form for now. Just check about the website and make the couple of changes. I'll just make some changes and get back to you. So now that the website started looking pretty much decent, we can start moving on to the next step. So if you're wondering how I did all of this, just go back and forth with Claude Code, argue with it, just upload some images, tell it what to change as per your wish, and like you would get the final result. So in this, I just added some images. Just paste the images into Claude Code and tell it to add, or like just literally tell Claude Code what to do and it would get in touch with you. So basically I just changed the font, updated some images, added some animations, filled up some blank empty spots and stuff, and like you get this final result. Just play around with Claude Code or like whichever AI platform you're gonna using for vibe coding, and then you would get this result as well. So now comes the next part. You're gonna connect this lead form into an actual Google Sheet, right? Because now that when you enter something into this, it's not gonna go anywhere, right? So we want this data to be collected and we have to use it for getting in contact with our clients. So we need to store this data somewhere, and that's where Google Sheet comes in. We're going to be signing these leads straight into Google Sheet. Under a second after they filled up this lead form, they're going straight to our Google Sheet and they're getting stored there. So that's what we're going to set up right now. Follow the exact step that I'm going to do right now. So now you go into your vibe coding platform and paste this exact same prompt that I would just put it into the description, and I label it as the Google Sheet prompt. So just copy that prompt and paste it over here and hit send. So now Claude Code has given me this exact thing, and like it would give you this exact thing for your website as well. What you do, you just have a look at this. These are just columns. So what we do, just go to a new browser, create a new Google Sheet. Just type in Google Sheet, open a Google Sheet. Just open a new Google Sheet, right? Then name it whatever the hell you want. I'm just gonna get in like Jaden's leads, and then just take these columns A, B, C. You see this? Just copy this, paste it into A. Sorry, paste into A. Take B, paste it into B, and do the same for every column. So now when you finish filling up the column, follow these exact steps properly. Make sure you don't mess up because this is a very crucial part. Just go back over here, and on your whichever coding app you use, just copy the code that it just gave. It would give you like a script code. Just completely copy it. Either just I'm just gonna click this button and copy. If you don't get this button on your whatever coding app you use, just copy this whole thing and then Control C. Then just go over here and then go to extensions, go to your Google Sheets, press on extensions, app script. Then when the app script opens, you're gonna see a few code in there. Just copy the whole thing and just delete it. Paste your code in. Just name it whatever the hell you want. I have named it Jaden's here. And after you're done, let me close that one. So let me move myself out of the way. Click on deploy, new deployments over here, and then select the type as web app. Click on the settings button, web app. Just leave this 170 for now. Who has access? Execute as me, whatever Gmail account you have, and this one set to anyone. Make sure you set this one to anyone and this one to me, and then hit deploy. And it's gonna take a second. And authorize access to your Google account. See, after you have given access to your Google account, you're gonna get such a URL. Just copy this URL over here. Just literally copy this whole link. Go back to Cloud Code and tell it like web app URL, and then paste that one. Press enter. So once you saw like all of these stuff processed on your vibe coding app, right? Just go back to your Google Sheet over here. You can already see some test it has done on the back end. Just completely ignore it. Go to your website over here. Try testing it. And make sure while you're on the website, just reload this because it's gonna update the HTML file. Now try pasting some actual info like random names, maybe some email, maybe random stuff, and then press get my code. It's gonna say send and open your Google Sheets. Voila, it's coming in and you're gonna see the source as well. So we're gonna do the same for the book now page as well. Just go over to the book now page, just hit it. That's it. Let me check it, and that's coming perfect. So the lead form has been set up. Whoever submits a lead form on your website, it's gonna come straight to here. By the way, even at this point, if you want to make any kind of changes to your website, right, just go to Cloud Code, tell it what to do, and it's gonna make live changes to this website. And you can just come here, refresh, and see the changes live. Make changes again. Just play around with it, go back and forth with Cloud Code or like whichever vibe coding app. I just keep saying Cloud Code. Whatever app you use or like browser, web app, whatever it is, just whatever you use for coding, type into it, and it's gonna change it live. Just come over to a browser tab, reload it, and just experience it live. So once that's done, the only thing left for us to do is to host this website. This is in our computer, right? See, this is in my desktop. So we want to upload this into an actual server and host it. That's where we would connect our domain, all of those stuff. So I would show you how you can get this into the internet. So now you're gonna go into a website called GitHub and create a free account. I'll just post a link in the description. Just you can go to Google Chrome and type GitHub or whatever, and just go into GitHub and create an account. If you already have one, just log in, basic stuff, and follow me exactly here, right? After you got an account, this is just my account, you're gonna get a similar dashboard. Obviously you're not gonna have all of this here, these are just my repos, just ignore it. So you're gonna get a plain dashboard for GitHub. Just go over here, click on your profile icon, go to settings, scroll down, go to developer settings over here, press on it, personal access tokens, and tokens classic, don't click this one, tokens classic. Then you're gonna create a new token. You would not see any of this, these are just my previous tokens and stuff, ignore those ones, and create a new token classic. Right now you're gonna verify yourself. So once you're logged in, you're gonna see such a screen. Just ignore, like let's just say website deploy, it's fine. Then on the expiration, create no expiration, it would say a warning, just ignore it. Click on no expiration, never click a time duration for your expiration, it's not gonna update your website. So click on no expiration, literally tick each and every one of these, just tick 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 tick. And once you've done all of that, click on generate token, and you're gonna get a token just like this. Just copy the token, never share your token with anyone. This token is extremely valuable, they can do whatever they want with this token to your GitHub account. So be careful, this token is extremely precious, and keep this safe. Okay, once you close this GitHub screen, you're not gonna be getting this GitHub token again. So just copy it, save it somewhere, safe. So just copy it, go back to Cloud Code and tell it this is my GitHub token. paste the token over there, and then just type in upload this whole website into my GitHub repo, and then type it. Go back to GitHub, go to your home page, click on this plus icon over here, click on new repository, and then name it like, maybe you can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it Jaden Solar, and then just ignore this. Turn on readme over here, just this option, just turn it on. Create repository. So what you're gonna do is like, you're just gonna take a screenshot of this whole thing over here. Just take a screenshot, just cut this one, or you could just copy and paste this one. I would prefer a screenshot so it gets an exact idea on what repo. Repo of the image I uploaded, or you could type like the repo, and you could just copy this repo name, and just still, instead of just the image I uploaded, you could just type the repo name and then paste this one. I just prefer the image so it gets the right context. So make sure the website is split into multiple pages instead of a single HTML file. Just type this one and then press enter. That's all you gotta do. Now wait for the vibe coding app to do its thing. So now that this got processed and it's fully done, go back to GitHub pages. If you did not see this, just reload this page, and then you're gonna see all of these files over here. So now that these files are uploaded into the web, what you gotta do next is go to settings over here, go to pages, and over here you see this one. If this is on none, go and select main and then hit save. That's it. Now just give it some time for the page to load. And on the bit tip, just want to let you know, if this sounds too complicated, it's not. Just try doing it for yourself. It's pretty easy. After you do the first few steps, the rest becomes just cake for you. So, and if you don't want to do any of this, I'll just upload, like, put a link on the description below. Just contact me and we can discuss this further. I can do it for you, or I can teach you how to do it, all of those stuff. Now when that's done, there's just wait a second and we are gonna see a link pop up over here. So like a minute and a half later, I have seen like a link pop up over here. If this not come, like just hit pages again or just hit the reload button, it's gonna pop up. It takes like a minute or sometimes maybe 2 minutes according to internet. Just go over here. Now your site is live. Hit on visit site for viewing it, and you can see your site live in action. That is your site. You can see different pages. Each of these are different pages. Everything we set up over here, and our lead forms. Me move myself out of the way. Go to book now. Our form is fully working. When we submit a form, it's gonna come over here. On this, completely remove all of these ones. Just close all of this, and those data is clean. So now you go into book now. You can paste and try whatever you want. It's gonna work pretty good. So you got a full website. So in this video we looked at how you can get your niche website into the web from start. We've created a website inside Cloud Code, we connected the forms, and then we uploaded it into the web. And now if you want to connect the domain, it's a pretty simple step inside GitHub. Connect your domain over here, change the DNS in GoDaddy, like whatever you want, whatever you just purchased your domain from. Connect the DNS over here. If you want me to do a tutorial on it, just comment below, I can do it. So imagine you want to change this website again. Just go to this same window over here on GitHub. Just type in whatever changes you want. It's gonna change and upload it into GitHub as well. So anything you want to change, just literally tell Cloud Code and it's gonna make live changes onto your uploaded website. You don't have to upload it again. It's already uploaded into GitHub. Claude is gonna do. Claude or whichever app you use is gonna do it for you. Just type in whatever you want. You want to change the image, you want to change the text, whatever, just type it into here, and then it's just gonna upload whatever you want. So if you have any questions, drop down below in the comments and I'll respond to it. If you want to work with me or want me building your website and just want to get this out of the way in like very quick, in like 48 hours, you want it live, let me know. If you want to know more, if you want my direct mentorship on how you can create this website, and like if you want me to guide you step by step, There's a link in the description. Click on it. So that's pretty much it. See you on the next video. Cheers.